Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making some New Orleans style chicken wings. So before we jump into our dish, I really want to give everyone a thank you for helping to support the channel. Your support really does mean the world to me. Whether you're just trying out the recipe, leaving a comment, or just watching along. So with that being said, let's grab our ingredients and get our aprons and let's make some New Orleans style chicken wings. For our chicken wings, we're going to need the following: chicken wings, butter, garlic, brown sugar, paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, dried thyme, dried oregano, and cayenne. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So for our seasoning for our chicken wings, we are going to need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then we're going to need 5 teaspoons of paprika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Then 3 teaspoons of salt. And I'm using kosher salt. Kosher salt. Then we're going to need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and onion powder. One teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of thyme. Teaspoon of oregano, and then a half a teaspoon of cayenne. Let's get out of here, right? And forgot my whisk. And we're going to give this a good mix. Now that we've got this mixed up, we're going to move over to our butter sauce. For our butter sauce, we've got us a stick of butter melted, and we've got us up some minced garlic, and we're going to dump this into our garlic, and we're going to get this all mixed up. And so now that we've got our spice blend and our garlic butter ready, we're going to move on to seasoning up our wings and putting them in the oven. All right, so we have our wings in a bowl, and they've been washed and cleaned. So the first thing we're going to do is put about half of our seasoning blend in here and give this a good toss. There we go. And then we're going to pour in the rest of our seasoning blend because we want to make sure we get the seasoning on all of our wings. All right, let me wash off my hands real quick. And now we're going to pour in our garlic butter. Make sure we get all that butter out. It's a good toss. Make sure all our wings are coated. All right, so now we are going to grab us a foil-lined baking dish, and we're going to throw this into the oven. So we have our foil-lined baking dish. Now we are going to dump our wings out onto the dish. spread them out. There we go. Make sure there's plenty of rooms between our wings. Trying not to have to get all coated. My finger's all coated with the seasoning, but doesn't look like that's going to happen. All right, so now we are going to put these in a 400-degree oven and let them go for about 50 minutes, and we're going to turn them halfway through. So these have been going for 50 minutes, and as you can see, they're nice and caramelized and nice crispy skin. So let's get some plated up to eat. Okay, so our wings are done, so let's give these a good taste. And we're going to have this with a little bit of ouch. Yep. And we're going to have this with just a little bit of ranch. These are still nice and hot right out the oven. Trying not to burn too much. Seasoning and the garlic, the butter, it all goes really, really good together. So I hope you really do give this recipe a try. Great for an appetizer or an event, even watching a game. So as always, I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy the recipe and give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more upcoming cooking videos. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen while I finish me off some wings.